How to check all device where your Gmail account is logged in. So what we'll simply do is we'll go in our new tab. We'll open a new tab and we'll search for my account right there, and then after searching for my account, my Google account, and there we will reach at its official page. Then we'll simply click on the official page right there, and we have to go to our Google account. And after clicking on go to our Google account, then we'll get to see a lot of options, but we'll click on this security. You have your security tips and review security tips right there. After clicking on it, we'll see that your device option at the first place. We'll simply click on the your device option, and then we'll get to see wherever our account is logged in. And then if you want to remove our account or sign out from the particular device, we can simply click on the sign out option and click on sign out. So yeah, that is how we can know where our account, where in which devices our Gmail account is logged in.
And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.